Today I'm going to show you how to become an MQL5 agent and earn money by sharing your PC's CPU. Making money has never been this easy. With the MQL5 Cloud Network, just by sharing your computer's CPU power, you can earn yourself a stable income. First things first, you must create an MQL5 MQL5 community account. Then register as an agent. After registering, you must download the MetaTrader 5 strategy tester, which you can see here, and I'll provide the link for you if you can access this website. MetaTrader 5 strategy test application will allow you to start providing services and complete tasks for money. To start making money using MQL MetaTester 5, you can simply run the application. Let me quickly open my app here. This will pop up actually, and because I've already run my application, I'll just show you what you'll be looking at. And when you are done setting up the app, you can just log in with your MQL5 community credential to start providing your services. You must go to services, then right click on the service, then start to begin providing your CPU power. Remember to click every service in order to start earning from it. And you can also, when you navigate to the schedule tab, you can select which time you want your agents to execute MQL5 Cloud Network task. And when you move to the MQL5 Cloud Network tab, you should always check this box so that your services will be eligible and funds will be sent to your MQL5 community account. And to make more money on the MQL5 network, because I only use my current PC, and as you can see that only small amounts get processed because I'm only using one PC, one CPU core. So to make more money, you must have more CPUs and connect them to your cloud network. Basically, you must have more computers, then connect them to the same network that you use your strategy test on. I'm sure you'll make about $1 to $6 a day with 2 computers, and that's a stable income, good money for a rainy day. Please keep logged in, subscribe, like, and share. Thanks.